Hi, today we are going to tell you how to make waffle at home. The waffle is a light food from Belgium. Waffle is nowadays being used across all over the world, mostly in Europe and USA. Mostly it is being used in breakfast, but waffle can be eaten to remove light hunger at any time. So, let's get started. Ingredients: flour 1 cup, sugar 4 tablespoons, salt 1 tablespoon, baking powder 2 tablespoons, baking soda 1/8 tablespoon, egg yolk 1, egg white 1, canola oil 1 tablespoon, butter 2 tablespoons, water 1 cup. Let's make it. Warm up your waffle iron at first step. Mix your flour, sugar, baking soda, salt and baking powder in a bowl and mix all the ingredients. Separate your egg yolk and add this into your bowl. Now add water to your blend and mix it. Melt your butter in light heat and add it. Then add canola oil and mix. In a bowl, beat egg white and add and mix it into your blend. Now your batter is ready. Spread it to your iron. Open the iron when the ready light comes on and enjoy your homemade waffle. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page for more interesting and tasty recipes.